Hi everyone, I'm Katie Knight and welcome back to Ibiza Spotlight News. This week we have decided to take you on a guided tour around the beautiful coastline of southwest Ibiza. So we've called our good friends from Boats Ibiza to see if they could help us out with this, and well, just look at what they've come up with. This elegant 47-foot Sunseeker Camargue is the perfect vessel to take us into all of the small sandy coves that are on this stretch of coastline. So if you've never been to this part of Ibiza before, you're about to see how beautiful it is, especially now that autumn's hit. Our first stop is here at the mystical island of Vedrà, which attracts people from all over the globe to come and gaze at its majestic beauty. We're now at another of Ibiza's hidden gems, Atlantis, which used to be a quarry where stone was extracted from to build the old town of Ibiza, has now been adopted by hippies and intrepid visitors who come here to explore its beauty. Now, getting here can be quite difficult, but once you do get here, you will be amazed by the beautiful turquoise, crystal clear waters and the drawings and carvings that have been left here by generations of visitors. After a short journey from Atlantis and some really good food here on board, we've now arrived at Cala Dort, a smaller beach which is pebbly on one side and sandy on the other, and the perfect spot to have a really delicious dinner whilst you watch the sun go down. Also, if you're thinking about proposing to your partner, this is a beautiful spot to do so, but only do it if they're going to say yes. A little further along the coast are more charming, secluded coves, including the incredibly pretty Cala Carbo. Behind me is Cala Vidaya, a beach which is ideal for families with soft white sand and lots of lovely little bars and restaurants and quirky shops dotted around it. When you spend the day here at Cala Vadella, you'll find something here for everyone. Next up is one of my personal favourites. We're here at Cala Tarida, which, just like all of the beaches here on the southwest coast, are perfect to spend the day here until the sun goes down. It's another great beach for families. You can enjoy a picnic here in front of one of the fishing huts, and the kids will love jumping off the rocks and swimming with the fish. And last but definitely not least is the wonderful Cala Conta. For those of you that have not yet experienced its crystal shores, you're in for a treat. Cala Conta is also another very popular location for sunset, bringing people together from all over the island to enjoy the beautiful golden skies and the sunset on the horizon behind all of the little islands dotted in the surrounding areas. Over the last 2 weeks, we have been running a lucky prize draw for our new YouTube subscribers to win a deluxe weekend for two here in Ibiza. Due to changes in the travel market, we have now extended the time that you can claim your prize until the end of May. So now we're going to find out who is that lucky winner. Are we ready? Gonna give it a little spin. Okay. And the winner is Daniel Blázquez. Congratulations, Daniel! I hope you enjoy your weekend for two here in Ibiza. Also, a big congratulations to Dean Lyons for winning our social media contest in collaboration with O Beach for making us laugh. Check out his stories very soon. That's it from us this week and also for our summer weekly series. We will continue to bring you quality videos of Ibiza and Formentera throughout the winter, and we would just like to thank you for following us this summer. I personally don't think I have drank and ate so much ever in my life, but I've had the best time ever, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the videos. A big thank you from all of the Ibiza Spotlight team, and we'll see you soon. Bye! And lots of really cute bars and shit.
Rolling.